The Sayyid dynasty was the fourth dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate in India, ruling for 37 years from 1414 to 1451 AD. It emerged during a period of extreme political chaos following the invasion of the Central Asian conqueror Timur and the collapse of the preceding Tughlaq dynasty. Key rulers of the dynasty. The dynasty consisted of four main rulers. Khizr Khan, 1414-1421, the founder and former governor of Multan. He never assumed the title of Sultan, instead ruling as a vassal of Timur and his successor, Shah Rukh. Mubarak Shah, 1421-1434, the son of Khizr Khan, he was the first to adopt the title, Shah, and mint coins in his own name. He was a capable general who spent much of his reign suppressing rebellions. Muhammad Shah, 1434-1445, a nephew of Mubarak Shah, his reign was marked by weak administration, internal conspiracies, and the rising power of regional governors. Ala-ud-Din Alam Shah, 1445-1451, the last ruler, considered highly ineffective. He eventually abdicated the throne in favor of the Afghan noble Bahlul Lodi and retired to Badayun. Significance and characteristics. Lineage. The rulers claimed to be Sayyids, or direct descendants of the Prophet Muhammad through his daughter Fatima, which they used to gain religious legitimacy. Administration. Their authority was largely restricted to Delhi and its immediate surroundings. The era was defined by a transition from earlier Turkic rule to Afghan dominance. While theoretically centralized, real power shifted to provincial governors. The revenue system relied on iqtas, land grants, but the treasury was often depleted due to constant warfare and lost territories. Architecture. Despite political weakness, they contributed to Indo-Islamic architecture, specifically the octagonal tomb design found in the Lodi Gardens, New Delhi. Kula Dharan. The Sayyids were known as cap wearers due to their distinctive pointed caps, distinguishing them from other noble classes. Tomb design introduced a hierarchy where octagonal tombs were for sultans and square tombs were for nobles. Key monuments. Tomb of Mubarak Shah, located at Kotla Mubarakpur, an early octagonal design. Tomb of Muhammad Shah, found in Lodi Gardens, Delhi, corrected design flaws of previous tombs. Innovation. Transition from horseshoe arches to true arches inspired by Persian styles. 5. Important primary source. Tarikh-i-Mubarak Shahi, written by Yahya bin Ahmad Sirindi. This is the primary contemporary historical source for the Sayyid period. Decline. The dynasty was eventually displaced by the Lodi dynasty in 1451, which marked the final phase of the Delhi Sultanate before the Mughal conquest.